out some of the most talked about and high-profile star ramps so far. Katrina बन गई थी doll, वहीं दीपिका walked with a huge love bite and shocked all. सलमान खान तो अपने शो के लिए ले आते हैं पूरी पलटन. वहीं गौरी खान was Karan Johar's main item with her must legs. सुष्मिता सेन कभी बनती सेक्स सिंबल तो कभी दुल्हन. ये डिजाइनर्स जो अब कर रहे हैं बी टाउन को ब्लेम, इन्होंने छोटे से छोटे स्टार्स से लेकर बड़े से बड़े स्टार्स को किया रैंप पर शो ऑफ. So now what has gone wrong?
So well, Simi, this debate has been going on for some time. कि डिजाइनर्स बोलते हैं कि अब तो स्टार्स रैंप पे वॉक करते हैं, पूरा लाइमलाइट ले जाते हैं, but they're the first ones who employed them, right?
And the designers never complained before. They started complaining now. You know, पूरे बॉलीवुड को यूज कर करके and अपना फैशन भुला के खाली गिमिक्स यूज कर करके you know इन्होंने इतना ड्रामा, इतना तमाशा बना दिया था फैशन शोज का. You know, all the image selling, everything depended on the film stars. So they can be crying wolf right now. They started it and they were just loving every minute of it.
So why are they complaining all of a sudden?
Obviously they have to complain because उनके सारे बजट से यहाँ पर जा रहे हैं. And अगर फिल्म स्टार्स पहले तो वो फ्री में भी आ जाते थे या उन्हें एक आध साल का पूरा वार्डरोब फ्री दे दिया तो भी फिल्म स्टार्स आ जाते थे. You know, but film stars are very very money savvy और कुछ भी ज्यादा देर फ्री के लिए नहीं करते हैं. तो the film stars have realized the value of you know them walking on the ramp. So right now they are asking for a lot of money. And designers शायद इतना बिजनेस नहीं कर पाते हैं जितना वो स्टार्स को पे करते हैं. तो it's hurting their pockets. There's a dent in their pockets. And you know what? They have spoiled the sponsors. They spoiled the media. तो अब sponsors का तो कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्योंकि उन्हें sponsors चाहिए होते हैं. तो now what do they come out and say कि अगर हम film stars नहीं लाते तो मीडिया वाले हमें परेशान करते हैं कि कोई stars नहीं आ रहे हैं. So don't blame the media. You know, you spoiled the sponsors. You got the media, all the film stars, and you let them overshadow you at that time. So don't complain now. Start doing work and you know come out with brilliant clothes.
Design is one bit, but also the quality of models. What do you have to say about that?
Oh my God, this is such a brilliant point you brought up because if you look at the models, सिर्फ जो एक दो established models हैं वो उनको ले लेते हैं and वो भी बेचारी 15 साल से you know they're like so bored right now on the ramp. They've been doing the same thing for 15 years. And मुझे लगता है कि जब वो stars को लाते हैं तो उनका budget shrink हो जाता है. तो in the bargain they compromise on the quality of the models and उनको अगर you know star को 10 लाख रुपया देना पड़ता है तो यहाँ पे वो सोचते हैं कि मैं 30,000 में मॉडल नहीं लाऊं, मैं 3,000 रुपए में मॉडल ले आऊं. So, you know, we're just infested and suffering all these, you know, non-Indian girls on the ramp. उनकी body language हमारे कपड़ों के लिए नहीं होती है. उन्हें English बोलनी नहीं आती. उन्हें हिंदी बोलनी नहीं आती. They're absolute dumbos and the press cannot ask them anything. They can't comment on how they feel about the clothes. You know, there's no communication between the designer and the models. They have absolutely no body language. और मुझे लगता है कि ये stars के लिए budgets रखते models में total compromise कर दिया and we probably see some of the worst models because the designers just don't want to pay.
Well, Simi, as always, it was very insightful and I hope to see you next week.
Sure.
Thank you for coming.